In May 2022, we applied to sell on Whatnot. In July, we were approved. In 6 months, we've had 1.4 thousand sales, 50 live shows, 700 followers, and 1 to 2 shows a week. So, how did we do it?
Hey guys, I'm Caitlin. I'm a part-time reseller and a full-time student. For the past year, we've been selling on eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, and now, recently, Whatnot. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how we got to over 1,000 sales with 1 show a week. Our first Whatnot show was a vintage t-shirt sale, and we did 28 sales for $151. Then we did another t-shirt sale and sold 22 items for $105. Next, we did a hat sale and we only sold 15 items for a total of $60. Next up, we tried a video game sale and we only sold 8 games for $41. Finally, we ran our first plush sale. We sold 59 items for $189 on our very first sale. We decided to add some games and some extra prizes. We did a second plush sale the next week and we sold 63 items for $247. Recently, we've been mostly focusing on plush. As you can see, I know a lot about that. Some tips I have for y'all is number 1, make sure you're doing something that you love. Like I like plush, so I do plush shows. Tip 2 is definitely put stuff on your social medias so you can have more people come into your show. And then my last tip for you is to make sure you bring in a lot of energy so it's really entertaining for people that are watching. So now let me walk you through on how we do our Plushapalooza. Alright guys, so we just went to some of our favorite local thrift stores and garage sales. And I want to show you some of our favorites to put in our Whatnot show. First, look at this Dymo. It's great for Valentine's. Dymos are also some really cool things to pick up for Whatnot. Next thing we got is this Walt Disney. I don't really know what he is, but I'm pretty sure he'd be a vintage one and we definitely need to search this one up. Look at that tag. We got mini ones like this, but it's a different character. This bag, look at this Minions. I've never seen a Build-A-Bear like this one. This one's so cool. And then we got this Mandalorian. It's actually a Build-A-Bear. When I saw this one, I was like, whoa. And here's another example of one of the other ones. But look at this one's tag. That one's crazy. Definitely need to look that one up. Also got some of these. These are some of our prizes that we do in our Whatnot show. We got 2 of these. And then I got some personal. I got 2 Squishmallows. I got a Pluto and this cute little frog Squishmallows. Next, we gotta go photograph everything. Alright guys, so next we put all of our items into Whatnot. So I'll put my Minion in. This is number 61. We put them in number order so it'll be easier for our customers. So then I'll write the name, which is Minion. And then I'll take our photo of Minion. I usually only do 1, but you can always do more. And then, boom, he is 2.2 ounces, so I'll tap 1 through 3 ounces, and then tap add. And once it completely uploads, I'll put them in the next room. Next, we sort our plushes by small, medium, and large. Alright guys, so now I set up the little shelves here that my dad built, and then I put this black thing over it. Next, we do our prizes. We put all of our prizes in our bag for each customer. Alright guys, so I'm going to walk you through everything because we have an hour left. Here's all the prizes that you guys can win. And then here is our stickers that we are selling. And then here's all the big plushes that we know are probably going to sell. I like to put them in the front so everyone can see them. And then over here is our fun little game where we pick your number. And then over here is all the behind the scenes for Whatnot.
Alright guys, let's get this Whatnot show started. To this way. There we go. Alright, Caitlin. Hello everybody, we're getting started right now. Just so you know, I am doing a little recording here because we're going to put this on Caitlin's next YouTube video, or whatnot.
Who knows?
Hello everybody, welcome in. Give everybody a minute. We do have over 150 new plushes, as you can see behind Caitlin. Definitely check out the store. Alright, Mom's getting the request written down.
19 is a 4. About 6. It is a 7 of clubs. Let's see what happens.
Alright, 7 of clubs. Let's see what your bonus prize is today.
Alright, so your bonus prize is a Stitch! Oh my gosh, this one's so cool. Look, it has a happy little...
Oh, that's one where he's chewing on the thing. Look at that, on the side.
He's chewing on a piece
He's
of
missing
paper.
a piece.
It's because... Sorry guys, my Stitch ate my homework.
Can't miss a deal. And I'm going to record our exit out of here for everybody for YouTube. So Caitlin's bringing Can't Miss a Deal a prize. What is the prize?
You get a little Angry Bird. So he is such a cute one. And I think the panda's going to love him because of the colors. Because it's black and white. Just like a panda.
Alright.
So guys, I don't think we have any more requests, so we're going to end the show. I hope you guys really enjoyed the show. We will be doing this next week at 1 o'clock. We'll do it probably every Saturday at 1 o'clock. So I will see you guys next time. Have a great rest of your afternoon. Bye! Alright guys, we just finished Plushapalooza. We sold over 60 items. Here's everyone's items, and here is the prizes that they got. I have this list right here with everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment down if you have any questions. I hope to see you next week. Bye!